Leftwards pointing arrow. Scan this QR code to download the app and create your account. Download this app. When it's done, click open. Register for your new account and fill in all your info and location.
It shows the air quality in your neighborhood here.
Back to unboxing. Manual. Power cord. Finally, the humidifier. A little 360 for you. Flip it upside down to untie the bag around it. Take the tape off from around the sides. The filter that is recommended to be changed every 3 months. And your water bucket that needs to be filled to the max line, sped up a bit for you. Time to plug it in. All full and time to power up. Hit connect device. It literally found mine in less than a second. Shows all the stats of your house and machine. Running on auto, quiet as a mouse. Get yours now.
Unbox our new BLUEAIR Premium Smart Humidifier. I'm specifically excited about this humidifier because of the smart technology behind it and how easy it makes it to use. You can pour the water right through the top here, which makes it super easy to pour. And it has a dishwasher safe tank, which I absolutely love for cleaning purposes. You can easily see the max line of where you need to fill it up to. My favorite part though is the simplified touch control and that you can control it from an app. So if you don't want to get out of bed, you don't have to. You can just get the app on your phone and control it straight from there. So easy.
Help me set up our BLUEAIR humidifier. This humidifier has tons of controls, including auto dry mode, Wi-Fi indicator, low water indicator, a filter reset indicator, humidity percentage, auto mode, 3 different fan speeds, and a night mode. You can fill it up by either dumping water into the tub or taking it totally apart and filling it up in your kitchen sink. What I love most about this humidifier is that it does have a quiet mode so baby can't hear it.